Hello, you're welcome to another lesson. God bless you. So, if you are an absolute beginner that wants to learn how to play the keyboard, you are in the right channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to play your first chord progression within, let me say, maybe within the duration of 6 minutes. Okay, but first you need to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to this channel, and hit on the notification bell and give a thumbs up. Okay, so as a beginner, all right, you can see the layout of the keyboard. The keys are arranged in white and blacks, and the blacks are stacked in twos, threes, two, three, two, three, two, three. Okay, now in music we make use of the alphabetical we make use of the English alphabet, and we make use of 7 of them: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, when you get to G, you go back to A. Okay, so now I want to teach you how to play the key of C, because the key of C is one of the most simplest key you can learn as a beginner. Okay, so let's go right into it. How can you identify C on the keyboard? Now you see the blacks are stacked in two, threes and twos. Now wherever you see the two black keys, the white key before the two black key is the C. The white key before is C. The white key before the two black keys is C. The white key before the two black keys is C. And on C, it's a natural key, and you have the musical sulfur, what we call the musical syllable, the tonic sulfur, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. Now, the chords on the key of C, the triad chords on the key of C are this, 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 this. You can see I have a note in between the three notes I'm playing. So I have a note, I have another note. So I have two notes in between. This, and this. Now I said I'm going to teach you how to play your first chord progression on the key of C. So let's go right back to it. So the first chord progression and the chord progression I'm going to teach you is what is known as the 1-4-5 chord progression. And okay, I need to tell you that we make use of number also. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 1-4-5 chord progression is the progression that goes from the 1, 4, 5, 1. 1, 4, 5, 1. Now let's go to the chord. For the 1, you have this. Okay, for the 4 you have this, and for the 5 you have this. Okay, yes, so you have this, your first chord progression: 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Again, so let's play it together. I will go slowly now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And congratulations, you have just successfully played your very first chord progression on the keyboard, which is on the key of C major. Okay, if you want to learn more, come back to the channel. And if you want a personalized lesson that is tailored to suit your level and to enhance your learning experience, my WhatsApp link is attached to the top of my profile. Okay, that's my YouTube channel. You can go there, just click on it, and it will lead you directly to my inbox, and let's talk. I offer and I run a piano class a paid piano class where I teach students how to play beginners, early intermediate, and mid intermediate players how to become better piano players or better keyboard players, and I help beginners to build a solid foundation for them to become good piano players. So if it's something that you love to join, uh, or maybe you can just put it in the comment box. You can. I will leave my what's it called, my WhatsApp link and the number in the description box, so you can go there and send me a private message and let's discuss. And you're on your way to becoming a great keyboard player. I'll see you some other time. Make sure you come back to this channel to learn more for free.